Hello, this is Mark with Bailey Software. This tutorial will demonstrate how to track investments in multiple currencies. Here we have two sub-portfolios, TD Ameritrade and exchange rates. The TD Ameritrade sub-portfolio contains two investments, one in Canadian dollars and one in US dollars. Every investment is assigned to a currency under the properties of that investment, right here. For each currency, we set up an exchange rate between that currency and our default currency. Here we are tracking the exchange rate from Canadian dollars to US dollars. Under the options menu, if you go to currency settings, enter the desired display string for each currency you want to use. Specify your exchange rate investment to be used for converting from that currency to the default currency. Here we have assigned our one exchange rate investment to convert from Canadian dollars into US dollars. The daily recorded closing price of the exchange rate investment is used as the daily exchange rate. This report is currently displaying all native currency values. You can see the Canadian investment is displayed in Canadian dollars and the US investment is displayed in US dollars. To display everything in our assigned default currency, turn on View Exchange Rate Adjusted. And you can see that now everything is shown in our default currency of US dollars. So both the Canadian investment and the US investment are being displayed in US dollars. The exchange rate used was the closing price of our exchange rate investment on the ending report date of 8/17/18. You can look at the daily exchange rates in the closing prices of our exchange rate investment. These are the prices being used to exchange Canadian dollars to US dollars. In this tutorial, we've shown how to use an exchange rate investment to convert between a non-default and default currency. We've shown how to display data in either native currencies or exchange rate adjusted to the default currency. When recording transactions in an investment that is not in your default currency, you'll have the choice of whether to record an exchange rate for that transaction. For example, if we go to this Canadian dollar investment and try to record a buy transaction, you'll see that you can specify the exchange rate to use, or you can use the default global that's set through the exchange rate investment. In addition to what we've covered here today, there are also currency templates that you can set up. Currency templates allow you to use more than one default currency so that you can see all your investments converted into any number of default currencies. To read more about this, press this Help button and view the information in the online help. Thanks for watching.